So today I'm gluing up the back leg to my tall corner table. It'll end up like this, but it starts out as two halves and I have to do a MiterFold. You can see I got tape here holding it together. In the old days I would also put tape all the way down here and then put glue in here and try to get it closed up as fast as possible because that glue's thickening up, it's starting to dry. Maybe strapping tape or something to really pull on that guy. Or maybe even I made some shop-made clamping cauls on the bandsaw. But those cauls were not very accurate. These days, I make my cauls on the CNC, and they're dead accurate. They're made specifically for each glue up, and you can see I've got little indents here. That's where the head of the clamp goes, and it puts pressure right where I need it. And I really can close that up and get a really tight glue up. So let's go ahead and glue this guy up.